Hey, it's Rob with Inyo Pools. Today we're going to do a complete equipment renovation. A little backstory, the homeowner recently moved in and realized that a lot of his equipment's out of date. He's got just a single speed pump. He's got a heat pump that doesn't work. It's got vines growing up through it. So we're going to rip out everything and replace the pump, filter, the heat pump. We're going to put in a new salt system. He's got white incandescent lights and he wants to upgrade to color changing LED, so we're going to put a new light in as well. Our plan is to, when we install everything new, is to have it a little farther away from the wall, and that's going to require us to cut out the plumbing underground and move it back. So before we start digging and cutting, we're going to lower the water below the skimmer and the return jet so the water's not flowing back into the pipes when we cut them. Okay, we've got it all trenched out. Before we start cutting everything, we're going to label it so we know which lines are going to the main drain, skimmer, and the returns. But let's go ahead and start cutting. Okay, so we're finished trenching. We've done the pipes underground and moved it back away from the wall a little bit. And now we're to the point where we're going to hook up the new Pure Line Prime VS pump. All right, we're to the point where we're going to install the light fixture. This customer got the Pure Colors light fixture, which comes with a Pentair Amerilight light housing and a Pure Line Pure Colors LED bulb. So the first thing we're going to have to do is put the bulb in the light fixture. All right, so we're going to loosen this bolt so we can get the clamp off. All right, once you got the clamp off and you remove the lens, you can take the incandescent bulb out. Set that to the side. And then we have the new LED bulb. When you're putting the faceplate back on, there's a sticker on the light, and you want to line up the pilot screw from the faceplate with this arrow. That'll be the top of the light. Okay, so we've got the clamp tightened. Now, before we, put it into the niche and start running the cable through, we want to make sure that it's sealed properly. So we're going to hold underwater and make sure, we don't see any air bubbles. That if you see a bunch of air bubbles coming in, water's getting into the housing, and it's not good. So we're going to test it before we do anything. All right, so everything looks good. Okay, so we're going to remove the old light fixture. There's one screw that holds it in to the niche. And there should be enough cable behind the light fixture so we can lift it out onto the deck. So the line from the light is coming up through here, and it's connected in this junction box. So we're going to take the cover off and disconnect the wires. All right, so we're going to disconnect these wires, and then we're going to connect our fish tape and then pull it through at the other end. All right, so we've got everything installed. We've got the new PureLine Prime 2.7 variable speed installed. And we've actually got that connected to the Century V-Link system, so you can control it from a smartphone or a tablet. We've got a new clean and clear cartridge filter. And over here we've got the PureLine Crystal Pure salt system, and that's running back to the control box. Obviously we got a 140,000 Hayward Heat Pro heat pump. Down here we got the zinc anode, sacrificial zinc anode. That'll protect any of the metals in the water. And we've installed the new Pure Colors LED color changing light. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below or visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks.